Hi guys, welcome back to Nom Software Automatic Solution. If you are in the business of selling on Instagram that you do not know is the post on Instagram many likes many comments. Always be preferred display more than many times. But the problem here is how to be able to increase the engagement of the article in the first time after you post. If you do it manually, it's too time consuming. Or running ads, the cost is getting higher. I will guide you to use the software that supports you to deploy is to increase automatic interaction for the article. This is the main interface of MKT Insta software. Here you will select the seeding function. Software will automatically comment on the article that you specify. You can manage unlimited Instagram accounts, feed Instagram accounts with the same behavior as real users. As you can see that you are setting up the configuration to run increase likes, increase comments for posts. I will add comments to the software like this. In the end, you will choose your Instagram accounts. Then you will click Start. The software will start running features automatically like automatically comment, automatically increase interaction for posts. With you that have not had much access to software tools or new sales on the Instagram platform, then you need to know about the platform's policy algorithms. Especially when you're in the sales business, so that your article has more people to reach and get more recommendations. The article needs to have engaging content. In addition, there also needs to be a stable initial interaction. This will be a very practical support tool for you so that you can implement marketing on the platform. Software used for three main purposes. 1 is branding. 2 is pull interaction for sales post. 3 is to support you grow sustainable Instagram accounts. About the video support feed account, according to the behavior of real users, I made the video before you can go to your channel, you watch the video. Extremely easy to use software, no need to know too much about engineering. Can be set up in just a few minutes and run automatically every day. Important software to help you secure your account and control the speed. There is a setup delay to make it long. If you're looking to increase engagement or advertise a software implementation, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp below the description. After a while I will directly check the article that I have just added to support increased likes and comments for the article. I'm with F5 here. As you can see, the article has had the comment, the Tim drop interaction and increased continuously. With MKT Instagram software, you can use 100 or even 1,000 Instagram accounts to help you build sales accounts. Your account supports you to cover the seeding brand on the platform. Thank you for following the video and see you in the next video.